We are lost. We need help.
We are definitely lost.
We don't know where we are. The monster's after us, man. The killer.
Oh Lord. Stranded what I wanted.
Stranded on this island. This is kid mode. Let's ride somewhere where we get lost.
Yeah, this is what I want, man. This is what I want.
Now we're lost.
Mommy.
I'm fucking scared. Like bumping.
And then we're gonna double the. Hey, McCain, we got food supplies.
It's almost the end of our journey.
Yes, and we're just snacking on some 30-cent coins.
30-cent coins, and we're at Macca's. Any words, Patrick?
We left at 9, and what time is it now?
Freaking 2.
2?
We are now at Macca's.
5 hours?
Wait, what's the guy to blame?
Well, that's like nearly the whole school day.
Freaking 5 hours.
We rode for at least 30, probably 35 kilometers.
5 hours and we're still damn lost.
Yeah, we got lost. Shit. Any words back, kid? Any words?
We have nearly finished our main quest. No, we haven't.
Oh, man. I got the words. This journey might have seemed to be...
But it has wandered us.
No, it hasn't.
Oh,
It just made it
really
worse.
shit and killing. Look at the different bag. It's cold. It's cold.
No, say what you said before.
Any time now.
But then,
I forgot it.
what have we learned from this lesson?
Oh, we hate you.
That don't trust your friends.
We hate back. We hate back from this journey,
Don't
man.
trust your friends, they lead you the wrong way. Now we're all screwed.
But we're together.
Yeah, thanks to Paul wanting to go the relaxing way. Bullshit.
That was me.
That was Patrick.
Don't worry. Said go this way, but then Paul said, yeah, let's go this way. And I said that's much easier.
I think we all said it.
We made the most of it. What was your fault? And now we're here.
The moral of this story is we don't go cycling together ever again.
Exactly.
It was pretty fun today.
Words from Lewis. What did you say, Lewis, before?
We had some good times.
This was supposed to bond us, but it led to arguments.
And the 30-cent coins make up for everything.
I think we're gonna take a train back now. Are we?
Okay, boy, let's do this. Let's go and try and head back home.
I'm still scared, but yeah. We are now on the train back home.
Where are we now?
Any words?
I was speechless. So speechless. We're lost. Quite steady, man. We're happy now.
We are really happy to go home.
We don't look happy because we're just freaking tired.
Yeah. That was a 40-kilometer bike ride?
I think more.
More than 40 kilometers.
We cycled for like 6 hours. 6 whole hours.
And we're gonna take a train back for half an hour. Any words?
No.
Just tired? Hey, can you grab my drink bottle? Look at the bikes. Check out these bikes.
Check out my bike. Check these things. Mine's better.
Now we're gonna go take an interview with the other guys.
Next stop is Westmead.
These are the other bikes. Any words, boys?
Yeah, I think I grew my pets today.
Whatever. Kit,
No comment.
how does it feel to ride over 40 kilometers?
I'm hungry, I want some meat.
Now we know how the Tour de France people feel like.
Report up Patrick's short trouser.
Check out his legs. Sexy.
I just
Let's do this again.
That brick. That's expensive, man. Especially like here. Have you seen their bikes? I got one. Carbon fiber. What?
So it's really
I got one with your house.
6-hour bike ride, 30-minute train ride.
Carbon fiber racing specialized
David survived 6 hours of biking.
racing.
Uphill and downhill.
The
Kid, come on, man, say something.
See for the white that bit.
Okay,
And like,
just
I hate it.
focus on him for a while.
You know the ass, man. Yeah. It's like this thing, man. Yeah, and it's like they fix in your ass crack.
Can you buy a bike cushion? Because mine tilts.
Because like I feel like
Hello?
big version. Very big W, and it should be this gel big and you slide over the top. Yeah.
Yeah.
Really big, soft thing. Feels good, man. Mine looks better like this. Something looks gay, man.
Yep.
Makes your bike look. If you want comfort, yeah, you got to do that.
Today I thought
Yeah.
I'm going to have to call my parents to pick me
Yeah.
up.
And then move the camera up to me.
So this isn't the first time I got lost.
Yeah.
One time, like I cycled and the
It's like why I really
came like 6 o'clock and then 8 o'clock and then I was stuck with my neighbor. So that's to pick us up.
on the guy.
Yeah. It was like dark already.
What's his name, mate?
Sort of. Oh, no, not
Pretty scary, man.
This gay kind
We follow the top. Blacktown, the place of black. Yeah.
Blacktown, the town which is black. I'm gonna go interview the other contestants. The red team contestants. How's day one? How's day one of Survivor?
Oh yeah, but you got that big man.
She's so big-hearted, but not so remarkable. Just an ordinary, humble girl, expecting nothing as her mate to think it's a pretty person's world.
I think they'll struggle. I think they'll give up.
You are beautiful and you better know you're real, so go look again. You gotta be true to your own if you really wanna go to the top. Do you really wanna win? Don't believe in leaving normal just to satisfy the man. Well, if you wanna get free, and if you wanna do the passionate thing, and if you wanna get smart for the sake of your heart and all, you should own your name and stand up tall and get real. And see the beauty in ugly. Well, you are fresh, your face is fabulous. Don't forget you're one of a kind. When no